Boys, freaking stranded at work. Damn dirty Ford fucking took a shit as I loaded up the pallets. Go to drive away, and some bitch just takes a shit and dies. And like, well, didn't even take a shit, just like wouldn't start. So now I'm colder than frick. It's like -3 goddamn degrees outside. Starting to spit shit, like spit snow and all this shit. I'm shaking like a fucking twig on a leaf. And yeah, now I'm waiting for Jayford and Trevor to come get me. Lovely. Lovely. So yeah, I'm make a video pretty soon about how to shoot a Ford in the head with a fucking 12-gauge slug. This is not what Graybeard needs, boys. Graybeard don't need no truck not starting. Only cool thing about the old Ford is that she's reliable. So some bitch better start up, otherwise I'm getting. Otherwise, I'm trying to freaking figure out how to get the hell out of the way because it's fucked where it's at, and I need a different truck. So yeah, shoot that shit. All right, God bless. Keep your sacks up. And remember to keep your tanks full.